This is how to take a full breath. For most people, when they inhale deeply, they feel as if they can't take in any more air, but that there is still space in their lungs that needs to be filled. To do this, to fill that space, what you need to do is breathe low and wide into your body, so that breath is going to start down here and it will stack on top of each other up to the top. So we're here, take a deep breath in, nice and low and wide. It feels like there's some empty space there. To fill this space, slightly contract your abdominals and then breathe in even more. The reason for this is that the mid chest, the ribs through here, are not as flexible as down on the bottom, and it doesn't elevate as easily as up here towards the top of your shoulders. When you create that back pressure with the slight contraction, it creates enough pressure so that the mid ribs can expand and accommodate the rest of your breath.